500 gram chicken, 250 gram of yogurt, onions, tomatoes, green chili, ginger, cilantro, garlic and lime. Next we have our spices: Biryani masala, Cardamom powder, Garam masala, chili powder, turmeric, Coriander powder, star anise powder, cinnamon, bay leaf, cloves and last but not least salt and pepper. Basmati rice, mint leaves and cilantro, coriander seeds, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, cloves, salt and ghee. Next add water to the rice. Beat by shower. Then add all the dry spices to the rice and water, followed by the mint, cilantro leaves, then add the ghee and salt. Add the cooked rice. Topped with mint leaves and cilantro. Allow to cook. Then mix both the chicken and rice together. Dish the biryani into a large plate. Then top with the cooked onions. Then add coriander leaves to taste. Serve and enjoy this wonderfully smelling and mouth-watering chicken biryani. Let us know your thoughts. I really hope you enjoy this one.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Smash that subscribe button.